Good morning, my dear students. Today we'll discuss about our next grammar topic. Name of the topic is articles. The words a, and the are special adjectives called articles. The indefinite articles a and an. A is used before words beginning with a consonant sound. B, C, D, F, G, etc. These letters are consonant. For example, a book, a table, a clock, a university. Now you can check here. In university, sound is like university. So that's why we have used here a. Next is an. An is used before words beginning with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels. For example, an apple, an elephant, an umbrella, an R. Now here you can check. First letter is silent. H is silent. So second letter is vowel. That's why we'll use here an. Now we will discuss about the another steps that how we will use a and an. Singular nouns, and the first time we refer to a person, animal or thing. For example, a child, an elephant, a television. We don't use an with possessive pronouns or demonstratives. For example, my dress is dirty, this car is expensive. Now you can check here, we haven't any need to use articles with in these sentences. We use one instead of a and when the number is important. Means we can use one instead of a or an when number is important. For example, there is only one exit from the airport. Now we will discuss about the definite article the. A singular or plural noun when it is clear, obvious which person or thing we are talking about. For example, there is a lamp in my bedroom. Now you can check here. Here we have used a in front of lamp. Now the lamp is next to the desk, because in second sentence it is clear that we are talking about lamp. That's why we have used here the. Anything which we identify immediately. We watched the new Brad Pitt film last night. We will use the in front of musical instruments also, like the violin, the guitar, the drums. For example, she plays the piano. Next, something that is unique or is only one. That time also we have to use the, like the sun, the moon. Names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges and deserts. Always in capital. For example, the Black Sea, the Sahara Desert. Now you can check here. We have used here the also, and the name of these rivers and river and desert is in capital. Black Sea and the Sahara Desert. Next is directions. The best, the south, east. Means when we want to give directions, that time also we have to use the. So students, I hope you all understood well. Thank you.